This is a 2012 Ford Focus, and we are replacing the outside mirror. First thing we got to do is to remove this panel right here called the sail panel with the speaker in it. Lift that up. We can leave the speaker wire connected to it. Next we need to remove this electrical connector that goes to the mirror. There's a little rubber cover right here we have to remove to get at the bolts that secure the mirror. There is a 8mm headed bolt right here, and we have to remove that. Next, underneath that rubber cover is a 8mm headed bolt. Okay, got that. Under the seal of the door you'll see a T30 headed bolt, and we need to remove that now. Now there's nothing holding it on, so it'll come right off. Just like that. To replace it, all we have to do is to reverse our steps from this point on, and we'll have replaced our mirror on our Ford Focus.